our cottage that we rented, or vacation house we rented here in Sweden. So I hope it is really nice settings there inside, but it looks like pretty small. Let's go. So guys, this is first, you guys, ang toilet. Oh, nice. Washing machine. We have washing machine or toilet.
Okay, die Toilette sieht gut aus. Die Toilette sieht
Now, this one here.
Nein.
Doch, Kevin, du schläfst nicht oben.
And we go inside, guys. Yeah. That is the Wohnzimmer, living room. Oh, big TV. Then we have the table, dining area,
Haben wir gut ausgesucht.
and our kitchen area. Cool.
Genau.
And of course, we have first bed here, first room. Yeah, ito yung first room, guys. May apat pala siya na room. We have the other room. I think that is the master's bedroom. Yeah, guys, cool na. Maliit siya, guys, but okay na siya. Sin. So, some kitchen. Hello, Kevin. Yeah, and we have no extra here. We have also extra here, guys. Extra room here. So double bed. Oh, really love it. Ayan. So 3 rooms and nice. Ayan, maganda siya. Tapos, ito yung lalabas. Labas na siya sa atap. Ayan. May garden area siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung backside area ng house. Tapos may grill area din siya. Pwede mag-grill dito. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Pwede itong kumain. Mag-grill. Diba? Ayan. So, diba ganda? So guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng bahay. So, kayo nang bahala. Titingnan niyo yung kung ano yung, pinakita ko na yung kung ano ang nasa loob ng house na to. So, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye! The surroundings. Look at that one, guys. This is the area.
That is the strand.